Final 45 time and meet Betty White's new pal.
I was just kind of cruising around on Facebook, and there was a posting that said, "Would you like a chance to meet Betty White?" And I said, "Who wouldn't?"
Oh, a lot of people.
Now,
70-year-old Joan Clary won a contest through the Lifeline program, a financial option for retiring seniors, to meet Betty White, who is a paid spokesperson for the organization.
I have so few role models, Betty, and you have been a role model forever
how
for me.
sweet of you.
But you take care of animals.
Well, that's my heart.
Mine too.
Clearly, they hit it off. At age 90, Betty's working just about everywhere. One place you won't see her, though, is on Fox's summer celebrity dating show, The Choice. Bye-bye.
Oh, that sounds absolutely disgusting. I don't